Okay, so now that we have the fields sorted out, let's sort out the filters. From this filter criteria section, you can filter your list. And so right now we are displaying content which is just published. But let's tweak this filter so that it only shows articles, and it only shows articles which has the favorite checkbox checked. So click on add and then search for content type. And then check content type within the content category and then click on add. And then make sure the operator is one of, and then select article as content types and then click on apply. So right now the list will only show article content types which are published. And then if you scroll down, you'll see pretty much the same content because we only have articles in this demo site. Now we need to add the filter for favorites, but before we do that, we need to create our favorites field. So click on structure up the top and then go to content types and then click on manage fields on the article row and then click on add field. And then from this drop down, select Boolean and then enter in favorite as the label and then click on save and continue. Click on save field settings. We'll leave that as it is. And then in the help text, put something useful such as flag content as favorites. And then click on save field settings. So at this point, we have added the field in. Let's now add it as a filter criteria. So let me just close this tab. Let's go back to views and then click on add in the filter criteria section and then search for favorites and then click on add and configure. And then make sure the operator is equal to and that you select true and then click on apply. So this view now will only show articles which are published and where the favorite checkbox has been checked or returned true. So let's click on save. And then if we refresh the home page, and then here you can see that the favorites has no actual favorite articles. And the reason for that is because we haven't flagged any as favorites. But one thing I want to show you now is how to add a bit of text if no results are returned. Because right now this block looks kind of broken. It'll be good to put in a message which says no favorites returned or something like that. So to do that, let's go back to our view. And then from the no results behavior, click on add. And then scroll all the way down and then check text area. And then just enter in a bit of text. So I will enter in no favorites and that's it. And then click on save. And so instead of the user getting an empty block, the next time they see the block without any favorites, it'll show an actual useful message such as no favorites. Let's now go ahead and quickly flag a few articles as our favorite. So what I'll do is I'll open up 5 articles. And then if we refresh our homepage, we should see 5 articles. Perfect.